you eat every single day, but if you were to look at a slice of bread or a glass of water in its raw, original form, it is completely useless to your body. There is a massive physical gap between the meal sitting on your plate and the microscopic molecules that your individual cells actually require to survive. This diagram shows the body's solution to that scale gap, a continuous 30-foot-long biological processing factory hitting just beneath your skin. To see exactly how matter is transformed, we are going to follow a single bite of food all the way down this pathway. Your body relies on this highly aggressive biological pathway to dismantle external matter and convert it into pure, usable internal energy. The breakdown begins the second food enters your mouth. Your teeth handle the mechanical crushing, while saliva instantly introduces specialized proteins called enzymes that start dissolving complex carbohydrates on contact. Once you swallow and the food enters the esophagus, conscious control ends. You hand the workload over to a fully involuntary biological system. This generated video shows peristalsis, a series of powerful, involuntary smooth muscle contractions that actively push food down the esophageal tube. These muscles contract with so much force that peristalsis will successfully move food into your stomach, even if you are standing completely upside down. At the bottom of that tube, food drops into the stomach. This organ is a powerful muscular sac filled with highly corrosive hydrochloric acid. The stomach walls actively squeeze and churn the solid food, forcing it to mix with the acid to achieve rapid chemical dissolution. What remains after this violent mixing is a nutrient-rich, highly acidic liquid blend known as chyme. This combination of crushing force and chemical breakdown ensures that solid food reaches a liquid state before the walls of the intestine begin the work of extraction. That liquid chyme now flows into the small intestine, a coiled 20-foot-long tube where 90% of all nutrient absorption takes place. This diagram maps the required chemical assistance. Flow lines from the liver and gallbladder indicate the release of bile to dissolve fats. Alongside that, the pancreas injects powerful enzymes designed to dismantle raw proteins and sugars. But the extraction happens at the microscopic level. The interior wall of the intestine is lined with millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi. These villi act as microscopic sponges. As the liquid chyme washes over them, they absorb the raw vitamins, the essential minerals, and nutrients into the surrounding bloodstream. The entire macroscopic journey, the chewing, the churning, the acid, and the chemical breakdown, exists specifically to serve this microscopic exchange. Because this 30-foot pathway relies on a delicate, continuous orchestration of muscle movements and chemical balances, it is vulnerable to disruption. This cross-section shows acid reflux, or GERD. A mechanical failure occurs when the muscular valve weakens, allowing harsh gastric acid to leak backward. As that liquid acid splashes into the unprotected esophagus, it damages the tissue, creating the painful burning sensation known as heartburn. Further down the line in the large intestine, failures of pacing occur. If waste moves too slowly through the tract, it loses too much water to the surrounding tissue, eventually becoming hard, compacted, and causing constipation. Common digestive pain is usually the direct result of mechanical valves failing or chemical pipelines slowing down due to poor maintenance. You are the operator of this 24/7 biological factory. Keeping it at peak performance requires a few deliberate, actionable engineering solutions. The first is hydration. Water serves as the mechanical lubricant required to break down food and keep waste flowing through the system without compacting. The second is dietary fiber. Fiber provides physical bulk in the colon, gathering water and acting like a broom to sweep waste through the system, preventing sluggish digestion. Finally, this visualization represents the gut microbiome. By consuming fermented foods or probiotics, you support the millions of beneficial bacteria in the large intestine that regulate digestion and support your immune system. Active gut maintenance keeps this 30-foot pathway clear, ensuring the factory can continue extracting the fuel that allows your cells to function.